In the 3 months since the devastating Los Angeles wildfires,
This is an absolutely catastrophic, devastating situation.
a reckoning underway about how to better manage increasingly powerful fires and their impacts.
When most people think about NASA, they think about life on other planets, but the Earth Science Mission studies life right here on our very own. And today, it's all about fire, and this is our ride.
The mission is called Fire Sense, and Holly Bender and Daniel Jensen are the scientists on board. It was such a tight squeeze thanks to Avris 3, a super high-tech mapping tool. There was only room for me and my phone on board.
What's the data that's being collected?
Avris is an imaging spectrometer. We're creating an image, super detailed color information.
And why might a firefighter or fire department want that information?
In the case of a wildfire, they can take that product and get it into the hands of the people that are making the decisions in real time.
From the sky, NASA monitors the fire's characteristics, set intentionally at Fort Stewart, Georgia.
So, the fire's spreading.
It's starting to catch.
You can see the fire starting to grow down there. This is a science experiment.
This is a science experiment.
On the ground, we met Harrison Rain, a former elite hotshot firefighter and now project coordinator for NASA.
What's the goal of the mission? What's the goal of Fire Sense?
So the big goal is transfer to operations. We're still using the technology from the past. So really what we're trying to do is we're trying to understand the firefighter experience, and we're trying to combine that with the science to create tools that work under stress.
Yeah, y'all see us down here?
Yes, sir, we see you.
The science wouldn't be possible without this chopper from Hilo Air, used to ignite the interior of the burn.
This is what that control burn looks like from the sky. While it was in part lit by hand, it'll grow to more than 700 acres because of ignition efforts launched from this helicopter.
All right.
Hannah Blank is part of the crew who lit the fire's perimeter by hand.
Everybody grows up, fire's dangerous, and it can be, but it doesn't have to be.
A perspective shift even from 9,000 feet.
Seeing fires from this vantage point, wow, it is an entirely different experience.
Especially for these scientists after 200 of their colleagues lost their homes in the Los Angeles fires.
Yeah, a lot of times these science missions might feel sort of abstract to your day-to-day lives. Not this one?
Oh, this one's much more personal, yes.
It was very, very cool to get to go do that and be a part of it. But really, it's vital research as the magnitude and the frequency of wildfires grow across the country. We're actually seeing it right now with that rare one in New Jersey. Yeah. And when I say the fires of the future, what we saw in L.A. was the fire of the future. What we saw in Paradise was the fire of the future. What we're seeing in New Jersey is the fire of the future. Maybe these are the firefighters of the future. NASA being involved with firefighters on the ground to sort of coordinate and help them from the sky and from satellites.
As you put it, scientists as firefighters and firefighters as scientists as well.
Pretty neat. Really extraordinary people, dedicated public servants.
Very cool story, Jacob. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Appreciate it.